I'm Dr. Annetta Mallon. I'm the creator of the Mallon Model. I'm an end-of-life consultant and doula. I'm an educator, a social researcher, and a specialist grief psychotherapist. We know that about 85% of people, well over 3/4 of the population, say that they'd like to die at home. But a fraction of that, about 14 or 15%, actually manage to do so. Many of us also know people who live with disabilities or who are recovering from an accident or a surgery or an injury that requires long-term care and support in a small, compassionate community around them while they recover at home. One of the biggest dangers with intimate caring, in the home intimate caring, is carer burnout, especially primary carer burnout. It's been the study of lots of research recently in many countries, and one of the most pressing public health issues is how do we prevent primary carer burnout? If you work at end of life, as I do, or if you work in disability and rehab, as many of us do, we know that trying to get a support network around people that functions without chewing everyone up and spitting them out, or getting them in a rut and people lose interest because they're only doing one thing and one thing only. Communication can be a problem. All of these can lead to collapse of caring networks. It's also a major driver of carer burnout. So I created a model that's very simple. There's only 3 roles. It's easy to remember, it's very easy to reproduce, and it's very, very easy to adapt. It's flexible and responds to a variety of settings and a variety of personality types and numbers in a caring network. There's a free, accessible to everyone journal article that you can download online, and it explains how I came to create the model and the basics of each of the 3 roles and how the model works. There's also a workshop that you can take. Now, in July and August of 2022, I'll be taking a national Australian tour, and you can book in and come and spend a day from 9 till 4:30. It's an interactive workshop, and you will leave knowing everything you need to confidently and immediately implement the model. You'll understand the superpowers of each of the 3 roles. You'll know how to tailor and adapt it, and you'll know how quickly you can actually get a compassionate community up and running. It's going to save you a lot of time and energy. If you don't like in-person training, or I'm not training near you, there's also an online workshop option. But because it's online, it's divided into 2 days. So 2 half days, usually a Saturday and a Sunday. And again, it gives you everything you need to begin to implement the model. You can show and teach other people how to use it. The knowledge is there for you. Email info@gdep.com.au for details on the Mallon Model. I look forward to seeing you soon.